Welcome friends, welcome to the Wednesday show. If this is your first time in the channel, welcome. If it is your birthday, happy birthday. If you have been here before but you have not subscribed, please subscribe. And thank you for visiting. I hope you will enjoy this short episode today on how to rehabilitate a blade that has been either used for the wrong purpose or has been used on wood that wasn't appropriate and still has life in it but does not cut well anymore. Last week, during our filming on Sunday, I started the process of cleaning a blade that was cutting really horribly. And this is the blade now. It is not finished, as I anticipated it will take a little more work. I've started showing you what I'm doing, and that is first of all cleaning it with a piece of cloth to take all the deposits that the vinegar removed, and secondly removing all the deposits that really have loosened up on the edge of the blade and really revealing some excellent quality teeth, and I can feel that this is still very sharp. So the reason that this blade stopped working was of deposits, maybe because a lot of wood was cut that was maybe a little greener, or because I used this fine-tooth blade as a ripping blade instead of a detail blade, which means that probably more deposits were collected than they should because of how fine the blade is. It will take us a third episode to show you the final product, but so far I am very pleased with this result. What's called a finishing blade, and I have considered actually sharpening it, but there's too much caked in stuff on the blade that even sharpening it's probably not going to be just enough. So today we're going to show you the beginning of the attempt to rehabilitate this blade. And what we did earlier today, we went to the dollar store, so this container cost us $1, and this is what, a cake container?
Yeah, it's like a cake carrier.
But it was really made for this blade. I don't know what they were thinking, but clearly, you know.
It's the correct size is what you are saying.
Yeah. And now we're going to cover the blade with vinegar. I haven't said it correctly.
You did.
And if you want, we can even cover it.
I think you should, because it's dangerous to leave it uncovered out here in the garage.
What is the danger? And we use...
It's a cleaning vinegar, which
Right.
is a slightly higher acidic concentrate than just a typical white vinegar.
And again, we're not advertising a brand. We're just showing you.
Yeah.
We don't just using a cooking vinegar.
Right.
And this is a cake topping. Cake. And here is our blade 48 hours later. As you can see, a lot of deposits are here on the vinegar, and it is totally transformed from white liquid to a very murky, kind of disgusting liquid. But let's see what the blade looks like. The blade is absolutely clean. The surface is not containing any rust, and the teeth themselves are deganged, but they will definitely need a wire brushing or something like that to clean them completely. So at this stage I think that this process is messy, but because the cleaning of the vinegar happened without me having to do anything but wait, I don't think that it is a very time consuming process. So let me work a little more on this blade and I'll get back with you. As you can see, the blade is slowly coming to life. And after I recondition it fully, I'm going to put it back into the saw and see how it cuts. But I think I'm pleased with the results. You can see how clean the teeth look compared with how they looked before. This, however, will take some time, and since it is fairly boring, I'm not going to subject you to this whole cleaning process, but I most certainly, I don't know if you can see that, but I most certainly feel that this process is delivering great results. I hope you enjoyed this short episode. If you did, please smash the like button. If you didn't, I have a rumor that the other button works as well. Share this video, give us ideas of what you want to see, comment. If you have not subscribed, subscribe, and we will continue making videos for you. I hope you have a great week.